is more than just the repeat of the comeback.
Oh yes, as we all know, ladies and gentlemen.
As we all know, ladies and gentlemen, this is the concert that is made very special para sa inyong lahat, mga Dabarkads.
Whoa!
Eto na ang concert na katulad ng royal wedding ay inaabangan sa buong mundo, as you all know, ladies and gentlemen. Kaya wag na nating patagalin to.
Mga Dabarkads, as we all know, let's give it up for the birthday boy, Bossing!
Alam mo, correct. Correct.
As you well know, ladies and gentlemen, you want more? Nakita mo naman, hindi pa nag-umpisa, more na kagad. Tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I'm melting. I fell right through the cracks. Well, I'm trying to get back before the cool done run out. I'll be giving my bestest. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. In a moment, maybe sing with me. I love peaceful melody. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. But I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours and I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate our time. It's short. This is our fate. I'm yours. I'm yours. As we all know, ladies and gentlemen, gotta have some more. You want more? Go, Joe.
Bossing, happy birthday. At ako po ang inyong konsensya.
Asa ka?
nasa puso mo. Yee, pangit.
Yeah.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa'yo sa lahat ng mga naitulong mo, and I know it will never be enough. Pero gusto ko pong malaman nyo na you will always be a part of who I am and who I will be. And sana, bossing, kahit paano, proud ka sa akin.
Proud na proud ako sa'yo, pare. Still, pare. Saan ba? Sabi na nga ba, nakita ko yung gitara mo rito eh. Pag ginagawa mo, tumugtog ka na.
Teka lang, bumabati pa ako.
Sabi na nga ba, kilala ko yung gitara ni Aiza eh.
Kayo naman, pinatago nyo ko yung gitara ko, di nyo tinago. Ay.
So, konti na lang yung surprise ko. Thank you, Aiza. Alam mo naman, maliit ka pang bata.
Maliit pa rin, boss. Wala masyadong pinagbago.
Hanggang ngayon, maliit pa rin. Lumaki, palapad.
Balakang.
Ngayon lang ako na. Huli ko nga nakita si Aiza. Sabi ko, Aiz, lumalapad na balakang mo ah. Proud naman siya. Thank you, Aiza.
Para sa'yo ito, bossing. You with the sense. Don't be discouraged, though I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all. The darkness inside you makes you feel so small. But I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful. Like a rainbow. Show me a smile. Don't be unhappy. Can't remember when last saw you laughing. If this world makes me crazy and you've taken all you can bear, just call me up, because you know I'll be there. And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful. And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors. That I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, beautiful, like a rainbow. I love you, bossing. Happy birthday! You want more? Galing kay bossing! Alright.
Wala ako yung lips to lips bro. Oh, saan ka ba ta? Uy, makakain ka na. Iba na naman to eh.
anything. You know I feel sad when you're sad. I feel sad when you're glad. If you only knew what I'm going through, I just can't smile without you. You came along just like a song. You brightened my day. I hope you look beautiful, baby, don't breathe. Darling, I'll be. You know I can't smile without you. I can't smile without you. I can't love and I can't sing. I'm finding it hard to do anything. You know I feel sad when you're sad. I feel glad when you're glad. If you only knew what I'm going through, I just can't smile. I can't smile. And I can't sing. Find it hard to do anything. You know I feel sad when you're mad. I feel sad when you're sad. If you only knew what I'm going through, I just can't smile without you. Bossing, happy birthday. Bossing,
Yung ba naman inisayo nyo pa?
hindi namin pinractice yun.
Halata nga eh.
Surprise nga.
O baka meron pa
Bossing,
Bossing, happy birthday.
happy birthday.
Isa, Wally.
Isa lang masasabi ko. Handsome ka talaga.
Bossing, happy birthday sa lahat.